So
what up, everyone? We finna go to the stock show today, and it's raining a little bit, but I think the sun's supposed to come out. So, and I've been wanting some barbecue, and she don't really like barbecue, but I'm getting me some barbecue. She gonna have to eat some barbecue today, cause I am hungry and I want some barbecue. I want a turkey leg and I want a funnel cake. So today's gonna be a good day.
look.
Come on. We made it into the stock show and it is pouring down outside. Right now we're looking at the pigs. We got us a turkey leg and that shit tastes good. These pigs got a fat ass on them. Look at this. Dang, little piggy, slim, thick, real cute. That's where they had. They got a little heating thing where they can I don't see any hatching though.
That one is 17 or 12? Yeah, 12.
Yep, 12 is hatching out there. Man, it is crowded crazy over here. Ridiculously crowded. There's so many people here. What the hell is that? What the hell is? Oh shit! He a mean little fucker. Look. Oh, he can't see. Ow! He's going for the wrong finger. We have now entered the world of Lil Wayne's. All these goats. I thought that was a real ass goat. What's wrong with that? What's the matter there? What? Don't be looking at me like that. Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting. She just can't get him right. Whoa. What is it, Elliot? What's the goat say? You a little goat? Watch your finger. Don't let him bite you. Move it, move it, move it. He gonna bite it off.
No, he's not.
He gonna bite that little boy's finger right off. We rush him to the hospital. He ain't gonna be bad no more. Now that's a turkey leg. Y'all see me calling them sheep goat? I made a mistake. It wasn't even goat. It was sheep. Sorry, we're gonna find a goat. Go, which way do we go? Oh my God, let's go this way. No, let's go back that way. Go back that way. No, go that way. Come on, over here. No, go there. Oh yeah, over there. No shit. No shit. Go back over this. Oh no, no. Go back this way. Back this way. I smell something. Oh shit, no, back that way. Hold on. Go back this way. What are you doing? Put your hand in there and touch it. Say here, gobble gobble. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy. Shit. Oh look, he said stop. Don't do that. Oh, you just ain't got it in you. Oh, touch him. Go, Ellie. Try to touch him.
You touch him.
He's mean, huh?
You touch him.
I ain't touching him.
You're an idiot. I won't let you touch him. I won't let you.
Oh, he's mad. He's almost half dead. He can't even squeal. Oh shit. He just squealed right there. He wants baby Ellie, look. Look, babe. That's how them Texas boys rocking. It's an eagle. Oh, they got snakes and shit over there.
Oh, they're chained. I was like, how come they're just like trained to stand there?
Oh yeah, he's chained up. He looks like he wants to come and kill us though. Is that a hawk? Yeah, it's a hawk. Oh yeah, there's another. I didn't even see this guy right here.
They're all over.
Oh yeah, they are all over.
Come here.
That's crazy. They even got this little guy.
Yeah. Look at these over here.
Look, he's over here trying. What? We got an issue? Huh? He's got something covering his eyes.
Sorry? It's a red-tailed hawk.
They got these little kids fishing for real fish. These some big ass fish. They're not gonna be able to pull them up. What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like a fox or a coyote. Maybe a coyote. Yeah. Looks like a coyote.
Isn't that crazy?
And that's the top of their head.
Yeah, you can touch it if you want. See how fuzzy it is? That's what a giraffe feels like. They're really fuzzy. And this is this top part right here. He's like, oh, I don't know about that.
You can touch it. So then you can say you've touched a snake. See? And this is the top.
What kind of snake is
And
that?
that's the bottom. This,
Western hognose. I'll just take her out and put her out.
she's actually 15 years old. So
Wow.
that's as big as she gets.
Oh, that's what we needed.
And she is local. You can't find these here in
Okay, let's go down
Texas.
here.
She'll eat little frogs and little salamander.
What kind is it?
It's a corn snake.
Corn snake?
What is it called? Corn.
Corn snake?
Corn snake. How pretty.
He likes it?
Oh, I see it. Yeah, you see it.
Rattle?
Hey, did you know that each time they shed, they get a new little bead?
Yeah.
I just found that
See the
out.
big one over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think he's sleeping. He's getting up.
We're done with the little piggies and the cows and the goats and the sheep. We're gonna see if we can find some horses. And I'm gonna let one out. And I'm gonna throw baby Elliot on it so he can ride it. We're gonna chase him around the damn arena. Right. You gonna get on a horse? I'm gonna throw you on and you're gonna chase it around. We're gonna chase you around. What if it throws you off? It's not gonna throw you off?
No, I'm gonna hold on tight.
You gonna hold him tight? That was a horse. should fold it back. Nah, that was a little scary. What they sitting there gossiping about? They having a serious conversation.
Okay. Alright.
You don't want to go get on there?
I thought you said you liked that ride.
I got you. What are you talking about? What are we talking to mommy about? Who y'all talking about?
I wanted to go up there.
Oh, we got us the red velvet funnel cake. It don't look that good on camera, but shit, this shit tastes good. Look at the way she eating it. Shit tastes good. Ooh. Said, boy, what is that shit?
Don't drop it, okay?
Don't itch. Don't do that. Oh. Hey, get your head out of there. Yeah, don't do that.
Okay. Look at these guys. Can you feed them? Put your hand up. Here, you feed that one, I'll feed this one. That's what's going on.
Why are they all standing like that? They got like their back foot up. Just one. They look like some damn statues. That's so weird. What? They broken horses. That's what they are. What'd you get?
I got a sword.
A sword? It's a light up sword? That's all you got? Do a backflip.
Huh?
Do a backflip.
I can't.
Come on. But that's the end of this little stock show event for us. We're tired. I'm hungry. I want some barbecue. And we're finna just head home.